is the cheeky one.
James
Is vain but not so fun.
Percy
Pulls a mail on time.
Gordon
Thunders down the line.
Emily
Really knows her stuff.
Henry
Toots and huffs and puffs.